how to fix Zarchiver access is denied problem. So if you want to fix Zarchiver access is denied problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, once you find your Zarchiver, you need to tap and hold on to it and then go with the app info option. Once you're on your app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go with permissions, and here, if you have not allowed any permissions, then you just need to simply go and allow the permissions. You need to open up your Zarchiver and then allow access to manage all files, allow the notifications. Make sure that you've not selected not allowed under any of these permissions. So once you allow all of the permissions, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Zarchiver. Once you've searched, if you have any updates on your Zarchiver, then you need to just simply go and update, and after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.